So let's talk about Wicknell Chivhayo. Now, this guy isn't just any businessman. He's a ZANU PF sympathizer with a knack for landing juicy contracts. But recently, he's found himself in hot water. Why, you ask? Well, it turns out Chivhayo charged the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, or ZEC, a whopping $1.2 million for a single HP server. Now, I know what you're thinking. That must be some server, right? Except here's the kicker. This HP server retails for about $4,000. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about an overcharge of more than $1.2 million. Just imagine what one could do with that kind of money in Zimbabwe. This scandal isn't just about numbers, it's about trust. With general elections around the corner in August 2023, the integrity of the electoral process is crucial. And here we have Chivhayo, alongside his business partners, Moses Mpofu and Mike Chimombi, reportedly securing contracts worth up to $40 million with ZEC. This includes tents, electronic devices, and even biometric hardware. Sounds like a lot? It definitely is. But wait, there's more. After a falling out, Mpofu and Chimombe turned the tables on Chivhayo, spilling the beans and releasing documents that show just how inflated these charges were. It's a classic tale of friendship turned sour, power plays, and unfortunately, corruption. The real victims here? The citizens of Zimbabwe. Every dollar lost to corruption is a dollar stolen from the people. As this investigation unfolds, it's crucial for everyone involved to be held accountable. Transparency, honesty, and justice aren't just fancy words. They're essential for a fair and democratic society. So what's next for Chivhayo and this whole messy affair? Time will tell. But one thing's for sure, I'll keep you updated. Because stories like these, they matter. They remind us of the vigilance needed to protect the integrity of our institutions and the importance of holding those in power accountable. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to stay engaged, stay questioning, and as always, stay informed. See you in the next video. Next.